Welcome to Last Technologies, Learning as a Service, where learning meets opportunity. Today's topic is how to create project in Azure DevOps. So you have an option in the home page, new project. Click on that, give your project name, the description of it, and visibility. You have an advanced option where you can choose the version control. It is Git and TFVC and work item process. So by default, Microsoft has disabled TFVC. If you want to have TFVC as an option, go to Organization Settings, scroll down, click on Repositories, scroll down, disable creation of TFVC repositories. This is by default disabled by Microsoft. Just turn it off. Go back to our home page, window, new project. Give the description of it. Advanced. Now you'll be able to see TFVC or Git. So according to your project requirement, if it is Agile, Basic, CMMI, or Scrum, please choose it and create the project. Now your project is created. Thank you. For more content, please subscribe to Last Technologies.